Hello friends, every person have two phases in our life. One phase is Sukha and other phase is Dukkha. Just like day and night, just like dark phase and light phase. In our every lifetime, every person face some challenges, bad situations, obstacles. In those times, people become so weak mentally, break down, go into depressions. So, in those times, people need to control himself or herself more than others in other time. So, in those times, he or she should be strong by doing yoga, pranayama, and meditations. They are bounded themselves with negative energy. So they need to release their negative energy and attract positive energy by doing inner work. So let know what is inner work. Every pupil maybe in their soul journey they have to face more difficulties in their lifetime because the main purpose of their journey is to evolve their soul. They need some work on themselves. They need to release negative energy, negative thoughts. What are the negative thoughts, negative energy? Pain, sorrow, grief, anger, anxiety, insecurity, controlling issue, not able to forgive himself or herself, not able to forgive others who have cheated on you, who abused you, who has given pain to you. So you need to release themselves to attract positive energy of divine. You need to open your heart chakra and all the chakras need to heal. Our chakras are the main energy center that has effect on our physical and mental health. In our seven main chakra, if our seven main chakra become imbalanced, we suffer physically and mentally. Our seven chakras corresponds to our endocrine glands, like pituitary glands, pineal glands, thyroid glands, parathyroid glands, thymus, pancreas, etc. Pancreas, which secretes insulin and the major cause of the disease diabetes. So, as per Patanjali Sutra, there are five klesa which is responsible for our dukkha. These are number one, avidya. Avidya means lack of knowledge or ignorance. Number two, asmita. Number three, raga, that is the attachment. Number four is desha, that is the revulsion. Number five is abhilasha, that is the thirst for life. As per Patanjali, there are 8 limbs of stages of yoga to control your mind or to evolve your soul. Number one is yama. Number one is yama. Number two is niyama. Number three is asana. Number four is pranayama. Number five is pratyahara. Number six is dharana. Number seven is dhyana. Number 8 is Samadhi. Yama is the universal moral commandments. Niyama is the self-purification process. Asana is the posture to keep physical body healthy. Pranayama, that is rhythmic control of the breath. Pratyahara, that is the withdrawal of the mind from the sense and the exterior object. Then dharana. Dharana is the concentration, focus or concentration on specific object, on specific conditions or some specific situations. Dhyana is the meditations, and last stage is the samadhi, that is the state of super consciousness brought about by profound meditations. So these are the 8 limbs of yoga as per Patanjali. Pranayama and Pratyahara teach to regulate the breathing and control the mind to overcome negative thoughts. It helps to modification of the mind.